A bold icon reborn. Watch till the end for the electric thrill you didn't expect. Right from the first glance, the Peugeot E208 GT asserts itself with a bold, aggressive stance that's impossible to ignore. Its wide grille with body-colored inserts, lion emblem, and sleek lines scream premium refinement. The sculpted hood flows effortlessly into front fascia, giving it an athletic and aerodynamic look. With subtle chrome accents and a lower bumper design that feels track-inspired, this is more than a city car. It's a performance promise. The front sensors and camera are neatly tucked, maintaining a clean look while packing in smart tech. This front is crafted to impress both the streets and your social feed. The E208 GT features ultra-slim full LED headlights with sharp triple-claw signature that defines Peugeot's futuristic design language. These aren't just for style. They adapt automatically to road conditions, enhancing safety and nighttime visibility. The dramatic vertical LED daytime running lights not only emphasize height, but also create a fawn-like glow that's both sporty and elegant. When illuminated, they give the front end a striking identity, ensuring you're always seen day or night. These headlights are the eyes of the beast, and they see everything. The pulse of power step in before the heart starts to roar silently. Under the hood lies a 51 kilowatt-hour battery powering a 156 horsepower electric motor, giving you instant torque and smooth acceleration. The E208 GT accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 8.2 seconds, making it one of the most responsive electric hatchbacks on the market. This car isn't just clean, it's quick and cleverly engineered for real-world driving. The new generation battery gives a range of up to 400 kilometers, with support for fast charging that gets you 80% in just 30 minutes. It's the thrill of performance, without a drop of gasoline. Quiet, clean, and quick. That's the Peugeot promise. Opening the doors reveals more than access. It unveils precision. The frameless windows and flush handles add a seamless high-tech feel, while the doors themselves are solid and well-insulated for a quieter cabin experience. The entry and exit are effortless, with a keyless system that senses your presence before you even touch the handle. Every edge feels soft yet strong, blending performance engineering with refined craftsmanship. Once open, the cabin lights guide you in. It feels more like entering a lounge and hatchback. From the side, the E208 GT reveals a compact yet dynamic profile, carved with aerodynamic precision. The sloping roofline and bold character lines give it a forward-leaning stance, signaling speed even when standing still. Black accents around the window frames and mirror caps contrast beautifully with vibrant body colors. You'll notice how the high belt line and short overhangs lend it a strong, planted presence. It's a silhouette built for agility, ideal for narrow streets or spirited weekend drives. This is the side of modern electrified confidence. Grip and glide combo peak at those wheels. They're more than just style. The E208 GT rides on stunning 17-inch Camden alloy wheels that perfectly match its sporty persona. These multi-spoke wheels boast a dual-tone finish, mixing polished metal with gloss black for a look that's aggressive and upscale. The design isn't just aesthetic. It improves brake cooling and contributes to smoother aerodynamics. Paired with performance tires, the car delivers exceptional road grip while maintaining quiet efficiency. Whether you're parked or on the move, these wheels are a rolling statement of attitude. Turn around, and the Peugeot E208 GT keeps the drama alive. The rear features a gloss black panel that spans the width, joining the LED taillights with Peugeot's signature triple-claw design. The integrated spoiler adds both style and stability at higher speeds, while the bumper hosts a crisp diffuser-like cut, giving hints of sporty intent. There's no exhaust pipe, reinforcing its clean electric DNA. The rear badge glows subtly under sunlight, and with that sleek tailgate curve, it feels more coupe than hatch. Premium feel, compact shell, slide in, and get surprised by the comfort. The front seats offer a blend of sportiness and plush comfort, wrapped in Alcantara and premium leather with lime green stitching. Deep bolsters hold you firmly in place during spirited drives, while the heated function ensures year-round comfort. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support, enhancing ergonomics for long rides. A Peugeot iCockpit steering wheel fits snug in your grip, and the overall cockpit feel puts everything within effortless reach. Sitting here, you feel connected, engaged, and pampered all at once. The rear seats, while compact, don't compromise on comfort. You get generous legroom for a hatchback this size, thanks to clever interior packaging and a flat floor made possible by the EV platform. The same Alcantara material continues here, with contoured padding and decent headroom. USB ports, ambient lighting, and rear vents make the second row far more than an afterthought. Even taller passengers will find it a relaxed ride, ideal for urban commutes and quick getaways. The cabin is a futuristic blend of textures, layers, and lighting. The 3D digital instrument cluster floats behind the small steering wheel, offering animations and real-time data in stunning clarity. At the center, a 10-inch touchscreen houses all your infotainment, navigation, and EV metrics. Beneath that, piano-style toggle switches add tactile charm, while the ambient lighting outlines everything in a cool glow at night. From wireless charging to voice command, the tech is seamless. It's not just a car interior, it's a digital cockpit. That wraps our full walk around the Peugeot E208 GT, a compact EV that punches way above its size. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell for more luxury drives. Stay tuned for more luxury content where performance and elegance drive side by side.